What's up, biscuits? Today, I'm gonna cut the cage out of this motherfucker right here. And I'm doing it underneath the cover of sunny Florida. Like the sun's out, but it be raining.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Yeah, life is like a motherfucking dream. Fill my double cup up with some lean. Yeah, put my dick in your bitch plane. Yeah, rats.
First things first, this car is, the cage is welded. So, somebody gotta cut the cage out, and that's gonna be me. You know what I'm saying? First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this bar out right motherfucking here. Cut it, boom. Then I can pull the seat out of this side, boom. I'll cut the bar to that side. So I'm gonna take this seat the fuck out, and I'm gonna cut these bars out. I'm gonna cut those bars off of the hoop and cut those at the bottom. So I can pull this whole hoop out of this fucking thing, pull all this shit out, what I'm saying, whatever. And hopefully that should be pretty straightforward. Hopefully I don't eat up too many blades. I'm gonna try to cut this in a way that I can remove it and sell it to somebody else for really, really cheap, so that way they could just kind of toss a cage in their car so they can go have fun driving with their friends or whatever else the case may be. So let's do it. All right, so I got the essential ingredients. Sawzall, that's some shit you need for real. And some blades. I highly recommend these Milwaukee torches. These last a long time, they work really good. I like to rock the, I like to rock the 18 TPI blades, only because with the teeth being much closer together, when you're cutting something, it's a lot smoother and less jerky. You know what I'm saying? So like typically you'd really get like a 14 TPI blade, but like I said, I'm on the 18 joints. It's a little smoother. It does take longer to cut, but I got all the time in the world to cut this shit up, little baby. You know what I'm saying? So let's do this. Let's move some shit out the way. This is a shift knob, just so you guys are, in case you're wondering, because and it's got weight. You want it? Hit me up. Free, baby, free. Alright, so let's do this shit. My fucking dumbass dogs is barking because they hear somebody talking, which is just me. Oh, that's a bad idea. Alright. Might be enough. Oh, alright. I'll fuck with that in a second. Is it a coincidence that my gun and the color of this car are similar? Is it fucking coincidence, or is this planned all along? Is this some Illuminati shit? Who knows? Stay tuned to find out, motherfuckers. Okay. And a different size bolt head, so yeah. Get the fuck out of here, pal. Yeah, go fuck yourself, guy. Talk to you about it later here, huh? Alright. I'm gonna try to set you hoes up right back here while I pull out this damn seat. Hello. Yeah. Pull this seat the fuck out. Fuck out. All right, cool. My camera keeps fucking up when I put it in this, I don't know, 60 frames, 60 FPS mode shit, whatever you want to call it. So now I'm gonna cut this up. When I cut this, I'm gonna try to keep it down low as far as humanly possible. Yeah. And then I might just cut those two back there because it's probably a little easier. And then I'm gonna have to cut that pipe out, unbolt this seat, pull that motherfucker out, finish the rest of this bitch up. And then, I mean, I'm probably gonna have to cut these two up top. But if I could do it without that, that'd be fucking really nice. So I'm gonna try that first. Boom, let's do it, baby. Okay, so all the main shit's cut out of the car, all the little zones, whatever. And then I realized that, well, it's welded to the chassis in the corners and shit. So I'm gonna try to knock those out with a hammer and a pry bar or something and see if I can't break the cage free, because it's still, this motherfucker's still in here, boy. And it's hot, I'm sweating like a fucking pig. And this shit nasty. And yeah, brand new shoes, already got metal shavings all up in them. That's how you break them in, I guess, right? Boom. All right, so let me try to fuck around and find out. All right. They didn't want to record me struggling eating mad shit for like, I don't know, another hour trying to figure out how to get it off. The welds that were welded to the inside of the body. I've been banging this shit out of this whole zone. Struggle bust like a motherfucker in this bitch. So instead of just me recording struggle bust 30 fucking hours of bullshit, figured I just keep bullshitting on the bullshit till the bullshit gets done, baby. Now the cage is loose, so I'm gonna try to pull her out and just swing her piece by piece. I mean, I don't think it's gonna work, to be honest. I think I'd have to cut this and that to get it all in one piece, but let's fucking give it a shot. You heard?
The law, I take what's mine and take some more. It rains, it pours, it rains, it pours. Yeah, I sold the pack, the loose, the hard. Yeah, I listen to X, I beat the bars. Yeah, the snakes, the rats, the cats, the dogs, the games, a trap, protect your heart. Yeah, I waited in line, return, refine the new design. It's time to shine, to shine, to shine, to shine, to shine. I hustle, I flex. The world is mine, so please believe, allow the grease. These niggas, disease, don't speak, we squeeze. I make the devil go weak, the knees. You hate, you're lame, you lost. I came, I saw, I came, I saw. I praise the Lord, then break the law. I take what's mine, then take some more. It rains, it pours, it rains, it pours. I came, I saw, I came, I saw. I praise the Lord, then break the law. I take what's mine, then take some more. It rains.
All right, sweater in the motherfucker, hottest shit in Florida. You already motherfucking know. The deed is done. The cage is removed from the car. I mean, it's pretty fucking obvious. You just watched it. I might do something about those little things. You know what I'm saying? Like all the corners here and there. But I mean, that's a little rough, but it's not a big deal for me. But yeah, motherfucking cage is out, baby. And then you can buy that shit, $100, come get it. I don't give a fuck, baby. So yeah, cage is out, she gone. Oops, too hard. That's it. I'm motherfucking excited. Wait till I put another cage back in here. So stay tuned for some more shit later, motherfuckers.